If Adobe Lightroom Desktop is showing error code 205, don't worry. This usually means Lightroom is having trouble syncing or uploading a file to the cloud. In most cases, the issue is caused by a network problem, a damaged cache, or one specific photo that's stuck during upload. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes in the correct order so you can get Lightroom syncing again. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's start with the easiest fix first. In Lightroom, look for the cloud icon, usually in the top right corner. Click it and choose Pause Sync. Wait a few seconds, then click Resume Sync. This simple refresh can often clear a temporary syncing glitch and get your uploads moving again. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Try switching to a different network if possible, such as another Wi-Fi connection or a mobile hotspot. Also, if you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interrupt Lightroom's connection to Adobe servers and trigger upload errors like this one. If that does not work, move on to clearing Lightroom's cache. Open Preferences, then go to Local Storage and look for the option to clear cache. Cache files can get corrupted over time, and when that happens, Lightroom may fail to process certain files properly. Clearing the cache is safe, and it often fixes stubborn sync issues without affecting your photos in the cloud. Next, check for a single problematic photo. Sometimes error code 205 is caused by one file that Lightroom cannot upload. Find the photo that appears stuck or failed, remove it from Lightroom, and then re-import it. If that file is damaged or has an unusual format issue, re-importing it can help Lightroom process it correctly. If you're still seeing the error, the final fix is to sign out and sign back in. Go to Help, choose Sign Out, then fully restart Lightroom. After that, log back into your Adobe account. This forces Lightroom to refresh your session and reconnect with Adobe's cloud services, which can clear account-related sync problems. Once you've gone through these steps, Lightroom should be back to normal and syncing properly again. To recap, pause and resume sync, check your internet and turn off VPN, clear the cache, retry the problematic photo, and finally sign out and sign back in. If this video helped you fix Lightroom error code 205, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.